I'm so excited to announce our new Rizos Curls Curl Defining Mousse. It is proven to improve your volume, enhance curl definition, and be more hydrating than other curl mousses. The idea for this curl defining mousse came from y'all. Y'all were demanding it, telling me. I would try to launch another product. All I would hear about was, when's the mousse coming? Where's the mousse? We have finally answered. It took us 2 years to perfect this formula, but we have finally been able to get the mousse out to y'all. You're gonna love the ingredients. It's made with 96% naturally derived ingredients, including cactus flower extract, coconut water, red algae. We've got flaxseed, maracujá, chia extract, aloe vera. Whether you have wavy, curly, or coily hair, this mousse is going to give you more hydration, more definition, and it pairs so well with all our other products depending on what you want. So if you want more moisture, use a refresh and detangle spray before applying the mousse. If you want more hold, use the gel after. If you want more volume and texture, use our Beach Wave Texturizing Salt Spray after. This mousse is exclusively available on rizoscurls.com. I can't wait for you to try it.